Here's an example of using benefit cost analysis to evaluate independent projects. Just a recap for the independent projects. So as this is a paragraph I got from your textbook. So when the problems are dealing with the independent projects using the benefit cost analysis, and as long as you get a number that ratio is greater than 1, and you can say that this project is acceptable, and this doesn't compare the superiority of alternative projects. As always, please practice the problems yourself first, spend a few minutes, and then check this video out. Now let's look at the first problem, A. So what it asks us to do is basically we just need to calculate this benefit cost ratio here. So that's very straightforward. And it already gives us the benefit and cost in the present worth value. So we can just take those values and do the division. So the ratio for A is 1.13, for B is 1.11, and for C is 1.15. Since they all greater than 1, so we're going to conclude that all the projects are acceptable. Now let's take a look at problem B. So the problem says, suppose that 10% of the costs of each plan are reclassified as disbenefits. And another recap from the previous lecture, part 3 of cost benefit analysis. So here the disbenefits will be subtracted from the benefit part. Now it's considered as reduced benefit rather than increased cost. Now we have the costs for ABC are as below. So cost for A, 123,000, 135,000, and 99,000, and 10% of that are 123,000, 135,000, and 9,900. And then we subtract that from the original cost, and we get the new costs are 110,700, 121,500 for B, and 89,100 for C. Now let's get to the benefit part. So the original benefits are as below, and the updated benefit will be, so we use this benefit to subtract the values above, which are these guys. And magic, the number is just here. And by doing the same, we have the present worth of the costs and the benefits, the updated version. So we still do the present worth of benefits divided by present worth of the costs, and then ta-da! So to get the percentage change, let's first write out the previous benefit cost ratios as below. And the change is very straightforward to be calculated. We just take the current ratio minus the previous ratio and divide it by the previous ratio. And for A, then we get that's about 0.9%. And we can do the same for the following B and C, and we will have 0.9% for A, 0.9% for B, and 1.7% for C. And we are done.